Just kidding, we're not closing it out yet. Gotta take the wife for a ride in the car real quick, right? She wants to know what it's all about. Cut to the donuts.
Oh, Lord. No, I don't want windows down.
You don't?
No.
Why?
I don't want that in my eyes.
Alright, we're gonna let these folks leave.
Oh, Lord. There are a lot of people here.
Yeah, I know, we're just gonna hit it and quit it.
Oh, my gosh.
Those are mine from before.
What?
Those are my donut marks from before.
Oh, my gosh. I'm gonna,
And
like,
these
drop the
over
camera.
here, those are mine too.
I'm so scared.
Scared? What are you scared about?
I don't know. I'm gonna, like, drop the camera. I don't know if I'm even pointing at you. I don't know. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lordy.
What was that?
That was more controlled than your last ones, I will say.
Oh yeah, that was a nice donut. I just lost the ability to drift because it's weak.
Okay. Oof, that smells lovely.
Left-hander.
Oh, Lordy. Oh, my God.